Good morning guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! I will hang all the clothes again kasi si mama naglaban na naman. Look at it! Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. But kaninang umaga, as in madaling araw, may tubig na naman kami. And maraming nagtatanong, not marami, but may nagtanong kung bakit hindi 24/7 yung tubig namin. It's just not. And it's been like this for as long as I remember. As in bata pa lang ako, ganito na talaga dito, hindi 24/7 ang tubig. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but as long as may water, that's okay. Binabad ko tong mga to kagabi kasi kagabi nang late, siguro mga 11 na may tubig. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do laundry. So binabad ko sila and then biglang namatay yung tubig. So hindi ko sila natapos. Kaninang umaga tinapos ni mama. I'm just gonna put away all the dry clothes, guys, and then start hanging these. Lunchtime, guys. I have tinola, nilaga. Hindi ko alam anong Tagalog niyan, but I have that. And then my rice. Oh, that looks a lot, but yeah, let's eat. Money. Ito yung kita nila sa kanyang tubig. Yun si mama. Nakuha niya ang kanyang mga pera. Let's go do it, guys. Yes, I did. I filmed a JS Prom makeup look for you guys. Some of you have been requesting this. Sana lang hindi pa tapos yung JS Prom nyo kasi I do not have any idea kung kailan. But yeah, I'm gonna post something on Facebook asking you guys that para malaman ko kung ilang days na lang meron ako para ma-edit ko yung video na yon. But this is the makeup look that I came up with. And then, since naka-makeup ako and ganito yung aking ganap, I'm gonna do a haul. Kasi diba, sayang naman itong makeup na to kung tatanggalin lang natin. So, naka-ready na ang mga iho-haul ko. And yes, meron akong mirror na lagay ko talaga dyan. Oh, diba? Perfect. Yeah, nagpapahangin lang muna ako kasi ang init kanina. And ayokong mag-haul nang naka-on yung AC. So, siguro mga 10-15 minutes siya naka-on. Tapos i-off ko siya para meron pa rin, lamig. Guys, wala nang pag-asa yung upload ko. Nakakainis. I'm uploading a video right now. It needs to be up tomorrow. Ito yung makeup collection video ko. 1,641. And kaninang umaga, actually 1,700 siya. As in kaninang umaga. Now, it's 9 ng gabi and it's 1,640. Hindi ko maintindihan. Like, bakit ganun? Nag-speed test ako dun sa main PC namin. And gosh, 0.24 yung download speed and yung upload speed 0.08. Asa na si siya? Globe? Ano ba? Ano nangyayari? Nakakaloka. Nakakainis. Kasi marami akong videos na kailangan ko i-upload. Kahapon, okay siya kahapon. Naka-upload nga ako ng video kahapon eh. Akala ko bumalik na yung yung regular na speed niya. Bumalik yung katok ng utak niya. Anyway, I will just put on my night cream, you guys. Kasi kanina hindi ako naglagay ng moisturizer kasi late na ako naligo. Mga 6:30 na. So sabi ko hindi na ako magde-data moisturizer. Mamaya ako na lang ilalagay moisturizer ko para diretso na night. And yeah, ito yung Miracle Cream. And I also have been using the Sutla Face and Body Bleaching Cream. Pero ginagamit ko siya sa siko ko. I'm not sure if there's any changes though. And then sa tuhod ko din. Pero itong Miracle Cream, ginagamit ko siya sa mukha ko. Again, not every night. Pero I use it on my pits. You can't really see my pits. I've been using this on my pits for I think like 1.5 weeks now. Maybe if I remember it right. But yeah, this smells so good. I will actually do a review on this, pero gagamitin ko muna siya ng bongga para malaman ko talaga kung anong, yung resulta niya talaga sa mukha. Pero ito ata yung pinakamabangong cream na na-try ko, as in sobrang bango niya talaga. And so far, wala pa naman akong breakouts. Good morning, guys! It's Tuesday, and I'm not gonna film a video today. I actually woke up early kasi akala ko mag-film ako ng review. Pero naisip ko, I filmed 2 videos yesterday. I need to edit with the JS Pro Makeup ASAP. So I'm gonna do that today. I need to do voiceover. I actually don't like editing makeup tutorials kasi it's just a lot of work, like, you know, pero I need to do it kasi yung iba tapos na yung JS Prom nila, nakakaloka. I'm so freaking late. Oh well, I'm gonna do that right now. Nandito yung ano ko. Tinawag ko tong ano noon eh, power bank. Hindi to power bank. Ito yung aking hard drive. So, dito ko sin-store yung aking files. So, pupunta ako sa ibang bahay. I'm actually uploading a video right now and I'm so lucky kasi kagabi hindi enough ni Marwen yung internet namin. So, na-upload yung makeup collection ko which is going to be up today this afternoon. I will leave the link below. Oh, by the way, sa mga nagtatanong if I have a Pandora bracelet, this is not Pandora, you guys. This is from Sophie. I actually featured this on my previous haul already. Pandora inspired bracelet. I have 4 charms in here and then 4 charms, 2 stoppers in here. Merong nagtanong if it was delivered directly to our house. It was delivered directly to our house. I waited, I think, 10 days lang. Yeah, so hindi siya ganun katagal. But that's my experience, ha. I'm not sure if it's the same with other people. Basta yung akin, it was delivered directly to our house and then 10 days lang. Yeah, and until now, hindi pa siya nagta-tarnish. And yeah, I still really like it. I wear this all the time. Hindi ko siya sinusuot kapag naliligo daw, but 85 minutes remaining. Oh, yes! Nakakagana mag-upload at saka mag-edit kapag ganitong okay yung internet. Sana lang hindi ko ma-jinx. I don't wanna jinx you, but 85 minutes, I'm happy with that. Nag-start ako i-upload to kaninang umaga, yung mga 8 ata. Tapos, ngayon, it's 2:45 and it's 84 minutes remaining. Not bad at all. Hi guys! Ang puti ng mukha ko. Ginamit ko tong facial cream whitening Vita 3-in-1 from iWhite. Sobrang puti niya sa mukha. I can't see myself using this as my daily moisturizer kasi sobrang puti niya talaga. Though it doesn't look that white on camera. I'm using my front camera, by the way. Hindi ko kayo madala sa labas. Natural lighting kasi naka-charge kayo. Pero believe me, sobrang puti niya. Reminds me so much of the Miracle Cream. Maputi din siya ng bonggang-bongga sa mukha ko. I'm pretty sure kapag lumabas ako under natural lighting, as in sobrang puti niya sa mukha. So, yeah, I'm not sure if you really can tell though. Nakagamit na ba kayo na to? Sobrang puti, no? Nakakaloka. Natapos na mag-save yung inedit ko kanina, yung prom makeup look. Tapos, yung video ko uploaded na siya. Bigla na lang bumilis yung internet. I actually have a snack in here. It's so hard to vlog kasi I am charging you guys. But can you see this? Can you see this? I'm not sure. Okay. I have apples. Tapos meron akong salt right there. Yeah, I eat my apples with salt. So, I'm gonna eat that. Ang dami, no? Ang daming apples. Ang laki pa ng apple na yan. Grabe. Good morning, guys! Uploading yung aking JS Pro makeup look. 128 minutes. So, I'm pretty sure ma-upload siya today. Mamayang hapon yung schedule to be published nito is I will go take a shower kasi I'm gonna film a review. I-review ko yung Minaw na lip gloss. So, yeah, and I'm gonna end actually the vlog early today kasi para ma-edit ko agad yung vlog para pagkatapos nito upload ko agad yung vlog, o diba, bongga? That's the plan, so let's go take a shower. Getting ready! I'm gonna film a video. You guys, tingnan nyo to. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Nakikita nyo ba? Compare nyo sa isa, ha? Diba? Para siyang swollen na hindi ko maintindihan. Napansin ko siya kanina, actually not just kanina, kahapon when I took my shower, parang mahapdi yung dito ko, pero hindi ko lang siya pinansin. Pero kanina, nung naligo ako, mahapdi na naman siya. And pagtingin ko, swollen siya ng bonggang-bongga. Am I filming though? Yeah, hindi ko alam. Parang nakakaloka yan, ha? Anyway, hindi naman siya dahil sa kwintas, kasi yung kwintas dito naman, di naman dito. Diba? Oh, this necklace nga pala guys is from Kim's Collections 2015. Ito yung R necklace ko. O diba? I have been wearing this a lot lately because I just really like it. See, hindi naman siya tumatama dito. So, it's not that I'm allergic to this necklace at all. Kasi if I am, like, it should be right here, not here. So this is something else. I do not know what it is. Just so freaking weird. Anyway, I have been using a different eyebrow product for my brows because I just dyed my hair. So I have been using this Ever Original liner from Ever Belena. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my brows. Tapos, oh, I need to apply moisturizer first. I'm gonna use my Aqua Moisturizer. Ito na yung bago ko kasi yung isa ko naubos na. I just finished filming the application part of my Mina lip gloss, you guys. Hindi ko muna i-film yung intro kasi I don't have nail polish on. I-groom ko muna yung aking nails, tapos apply nail polish. You know what? I'm gonna close my vlog right now because my video is 65 minutes remaining. So I literally have, what, an hour to edit and then wait for my video to save. So I'm just gonna do shoutouts right now. I told you I'm gonna end this vlog early. Anyway, that's okay, you guys. Wala namang ganap yung buhay ko. Well, wala naman talagang ganap yung buhay ko. Lahat ng vlogs ko walang ganap. So yeah, I'm gonna do shoutouts. Hi to Evangelique Opolencia, Princess Malay, QQ Ira on Instagram, hello. Carla, hi. Angel Villanueva, Beauty29, Horlick May Andura Masukol, and to her babu na si Marvin. 29 months na sila. Bongga and long distance relationship. Relate much. Hi to Casey Abelio and Arnel. First wedding anniversary nila nung February 21. Belated sa inyo. Congrats! Sana magtagal pa kayo ng bonggang. Stay in love! And hi to Mary. Hi to Rocky Marie Tony. Hi to Maria Gia Panaon. Casey Vincolado. Chelsea Melot Panancilio Mitch B. Kayla Celis Malyari. Hi sis. Hi to Brixel Buhay. Raywin Ameline Lopez and her boyfriend. Hello. February 24 was their 19th monthsary. My gosh, ang tatagal nyo na. Bongga kayo. Chevy Rabinos Austria, Carla Bianca Lagunera, Same TV, Carla Jane Castillo, Kina Mercado, Makeup by Julia 93. Hi to Miko Sierra, Camille Paz, Sheena, and to her boyfriend Ian. Hi! Hi to Eve Fernandez, Monera Mission, Stacy Tolentino, and lastly, Enio Serena. Meron siyang channel. I will leave the link below. Hi sa inyong lahat! And yeah, that's basically it for this vlog, you guys. I'm just gonna paint my nails, edit videos, upload videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. What the heck is going on with you? I hope to see you on my next video. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys!